Yes, welcome back to my channel, Strict Avid. Today we're going to go through all of the builds we did and made last year. Here's the videos as I'm scrolling down. Feel free to go ahead and check them all out. I know you want to go hit like on every single one of them. And we did make a lot of props last year, and I really don't know where I'm going to store them. So that's a thing. Okay, let's get started. First thing up, Killer's Mask from One Piece. This one was the first build I've done in a while. It was a fun one. Got everything kind of started for me. And then we moved on to another One Piece prop, the Flame Fruit. This one was a fun but very long one. Here's one of my most favorite ones, Luffy's Straw Hat. A very straightforward build, pretty easy. Check out the video, please. Here's just a random mask I came up with. I kind of went off Hellboy a little bit, and you can talk with it on. It's got a cigar. It's not real. So yeah. And then we made an AT-AT Trooper. You cannot see through this because the lenses are all destroyed. But I think it looks fairly good, and it's made of complete foam, so you can do it yourself. I bought a pattern off Etsy for $3. I will not link them below because I don't know where that is. But this was a very fun build. Check that video out too. Then we made a random blaster using SKS's prop pattern for the Mandalorian pistol, except we just kind of modified it a little bit and did like a snub nose version. Here's a Halo grenade. Oh, and here's a Fallout revolver, the pipe revolver. I think this is probably the best looking prop on my channel, next to best. It's up there with a hat and Luffy's hat and Star Wars hat, and yeah. But that's one of the good looking ones. Completely made of foam. Very easy build too. The Doom Slayer key. One day I just wanted to build something. I just didn't know what to build though. So I went through searching, and I saw Doom Slayer key, and I thought, oh, let's build that. That looks easy. It was kind of easy. But the hard part was the wood burning, and it stank, and yes, I do have a ventilated building. Here's the BFG that, we made that first part to, and it was just that little bottom piece. Well, here it is. I came back and I worked on it some more because the footage I recorded didn't make sense for me to upload, so it's still in progress. It's a little janky looking, but I think once we get the details and stuff on it, it'll look better. A lot of foam used here. A lot of foam. You should probably make one out of floor mat. Don't do it like I did. Here's Rick's portal gun from Rick and Morty. I don't really watch the show, so I don't know much about it. Here's a Star Trek gun. This is the old one. I don't know much about it, so that's that. If you're thinking about subscribing right now, please do it. Here's the Master Sword that I promised for 100 subs, and I tried to make it real quick, but we almost got to 200 before. But it's out now, so you can check that one out too. Here's BMO from Adventure Time. This one was a cool one, because now I got a life-size BMO in my room. Could use some work, but for the materials I had at the time, it's perfect. Monster Hunter Rise, if anyone has this game on the Switch or anything, I love this game. This one will be finished soon, as I figure out some pieces on it that I don't understand how to make. And yes, the Squid Game mask. Everyone loved this one. I'm really shocked with how many views it got and how much love it got from it. Here's just something random I made. just one day I decided, I want a new overhaul mask, and I decided let's just make it out of leather. So I used leather scraps to do that one. And here's the last video from last time. A Minecraft axe, which I called pickaxe like too many times. But yeah, it's just a Minecraft axe. Here's a leather samurai mask, also made of leather. Wait, I said that. A leather Cthulhu mask. This one took 3 days of, like 3 straight days, morning till dark, of sewing it on. A World War II medical bag. Inside the medical bag we have steampunk goggles with like tinted lenses and stuff. And also inside the bag we have another pair of goggles which, okay, they look better if you put them on.